All right, it's January 3rd and it's Wednesday. And yeah, we took one trade today and it was a loser. So, yeah. Pull up SPY here. So, I mean, today was a little choppy, but we still had a little bit of volatility, so it was like there was enough to get some setups, but the setups weren't really too good. I felt like they weren't really I felt like the probability wasn't really there on any of these setups. See, my first trade was right here. It was at like 12:30. So, I mean, that's 5 hours into the market open. So, I feel like I was like patient all day, but I didn't see any like good setups to really take. But I mean, I will say I did have a missed trade right here and then also just one loss. So, yeah, I mean, I guess against it. So, I mean, we chopped right here a little bit. Kind of we made a big we had a big sell off pre market, and then kind of just chopped right here, and then we had news here at 8 o'clock. So I mean, we had this big move up, and then kind of just sold off right after that, which we broke below the 15-year range. Had this nice pullback right here, which was also the I think it's like there's a nice retest on 15-minute range on NQ when we broke below on SPY and ES right here, which I almost took, but I didn't like the like kind of the risk reward on that one. I feel like if we were to move down, it wasn't like we wouldn't move down too much because I think this is 200 day. I should check it. No, this is 20 day. My bad. This red line is a 20 day, and I mean, if I was playing this on NQ, I think there was 20 day down here as well. Or no, 20 days up here. So yeah, nothing below. I mean, I guess just the pivots. But I feel like there wasn't much of a move on that one. So I mean, I skipped out on that one, but I know some people got some nice shorts right here. So yeah, we drifted off view up right here, kind of holding, and then on like NQ, I mean we almost double bottomed again from like just like yesterday, almost double bottomed here. On NQ we did kind of double bottom. So see first bottom right here, second bottom right there. Puts a like 30-minute chart. Doesn't look good, to be honest. Do a 5-minute chart. So I mean, kind of like double bottom right here on NQ. So I was kind of looking to go long right after that, and I mean that would have been a nice long right here because after I mean the double bottom was right here on NQ. So I mean we broke above VWAP on SPY and we had that nice retest, and I mean it held. So I mean this would have been a nice long right here. Quickly came up like 9-10 points. So I mean that would have been a really nice long, and I missed it. I just I don't know. I hesitated on that one. I really did. It was a good trade though. It was quick. So yeah, I mean after that, and we kind of came down a little bit, waiting for the Fed meeting minutes to be released. So that got released, and now it kind of once those got released, we kind of just like chopped around for a little bit, and that's when it kind of looked like we were in this wedge. That's what these red lines are right here. It kind of looks like we're in a wedge. So we broke out of it right here, which once we broke out of it, that's when I mean we broke above 15-minute range. And then honestly, I wasn't really looking to take this because I didn't see much upside potential, but we came down to retest the 15-minute range on SPY and ES, and then also on Qs we had a nice bounce off VWAP. So this is QQQ right here. So at the time, this was like 12:33 ish. It's like 12:30 ish. So at 12:30 ish, we were like bouncing off VWAP. 12:36. So I decided to take a long, which because it was holding the 15-minute range nicely, but yeah, I entered. I feel like I kind of FOMO'd on this one because you see my entry is kind of a couple points above the 15-minute range. So it was holding, but I kind of got in up here and started 3-point stop. and I got stopped out like I like got ticked out right here, and it moved up. But I mean, the trade didn't even work out anyways. But still, I got like stopped out early. So I mean, that one I feel like I was kind of chasing. The setup was like all right. I mean, if I was gonna take it, I should have just got in with the 15-minute range initially. Like I should have got in like on this candle or something. But then I think I still would have got stopped out right here anyways. So I mean, the setup just wasn't really that good. I mean, the probability was like iffy, but I still took it anyways. I mean, I just took it. So I mean, the trade wasn't the best. Like the setup wasn't anything crazy. I wasn't crazy confident on it, but there was some hope for it, but it didn't work out. So I mean, my only upsides today is, I mean, I was patient. I didn't let all this chop get to me. I'm only down one trade. I'm only down $30. So yeah. So I mean, it's like before fees is $30 and after fees is like 33. So I mean, yeah, it is what it is. I mean, we'll see how tomorrow goes. I mean, we are kind of still in this selling channel. So I mean, we kind of held it well. I mean, there's this selling channel that we had since kind of mid-December that we've been in, like this buying channel right here. And so, I mean, we're kind of respecting this selling channel right here. This is the 5-minute chart. So, I mean, this is from like, what, last week? Yeah, end of December. So, I mean, we were kind of holding this selling channel pretty nicely right now. So, I mean, hopefully. I mean, we'll see if we can come back up tomorrow, because, I mean, we did make like a higher low. So, but I mean, we did break this channel right here. So, I mean, this is a more longer time frame. This is the 1 day. So, yeah, well, I mean, we'll just have to see what happens next. And, I mean, we'll be cautious, I guess I would say. I'm gonna still be patient, but I need to work on not hesitating tomorrow on trades I think are good. Like, I should have taken this one instead of this one, but it is what it is, man. I mean, we just gotta keep learning, keep trading. That's what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the video there, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.